ChoeTech are no strangers to wireless charging, with several models already available, although they've beaten Apple to the post yet again with their dual fast wireless charger. Wireless chargers may look like simple accessories, but this latest version by ChoeTech packs some rather useful surprises. Being around the same size as a plus-sized iPhone, it carries a rather premium and stylish design that will easily blend into any environment. With an overall plastic construction, on the bottom we find 4 rubber feet helping to stop the unit sliding around on your desk, along with several venting holes aiding heat dissipation. On the top, the ChoeTech branding blends neatly into the rubberized anti-slip surface, which protects your handset and stops it from sliding around once in place. Otherwise, we find a status LED on the front, along with a single USB Type-C input on the rear, perfect for the added demands of high-speed wireless charging. A cable is included in the package too, although no plug adapter is supplied, so you'll need to provide your own, preferably one that's powerful enough to support faster charging. Personally, I use an iPad charger, which works pretty well. So, once connected to power, the rest is as simple as it gets. The unit supports both Apple Fast Charge 7.5 watts and Samsung Fast Charge 10 watts, and you can place 2 devices on the mat side by side for simultaneous dual charging. Better still, with 5 built-in coils, we have a wider charging area, so drop your handset on the device pretty much anywhere or in any orientation, and it'll begin charging without fumbling about for the correct position. With perfect functionality in any environment, whether at home or in the office, the ChoeTech 5-coil dual wireless fast charger packs everything you need into a thin, stylish design. There really is very little not to like about this, and better still, it's a fraction of the cost of competing units, making it easy to recommend.